All right, the GoPro is ready and hooked up. One small detail I missed, this thing does not attach to a normal tripod, so I do have another attachment on the way, but we can use it for now. Let's get it set up and give it a shot. All right, this is the GoPro Hero 9 set up on a simple music stand. We're gonna use it in front of this here green screen in the classroom. I'm starting to get everything all set up. So let's give this little recording zone a shot. So here it is, the GoPro is now recording whatever you see, whatever you hear. Microphone is not being affected by anything right now. This is the natural sound from the GoPro. It's on 4K at 60 frames per second. And what's really cool is I can actually see my recording zone right here. So I don't know, maybe it should be like turned this way or something. It looks like I'm on square right now, but I can actually see my image right there. And it's like easy for me to stay in my pocket, which is really nice. I can also record everything and control the camera from my phone. So you can actually see I've got some control options right there, which is really nice, really handy, just for to like figure out how to work the thing and using it from different points in the classroom. A couple notes about the classroom itself. It is a very hard surfaced classroom. I have tile on the ground. I do not have any carpet out right now. The walls are that really cement block kind of texture, not very pleasant. Very echoey in the room right now. I also have an air conditioner running in the background. So if you can hear it, that's what it is. I can also do things like this in my Final Cut Pro software. And that helps reduce the extra sound coming from noises in the room, which should be really helpful for all these videos to come. I'm really excited about using this in the classroom. I'm really excited about getting students up here to try doing different things. And hopefully I can get a real tripod mount to get attached to a tripod so that I'm not having to do this music stand thing. So that would be really helpful. Didn't realize that the GoPro did not come with a legit tripod mount. It's a $20 accessory, looks like that. And yeah, anyway, so I'll get one of those, we'll get it set up. I'm really excited about this thing, let's do it.